is for plane. And P is for propeller. And today, children, I'm going to go on a ride on a plane. Come with me. Prepare for takeoff. The pilot says air traffic control has cleared us. Please fasten your seatbelts and enjoy the flight. Wow! Look at all those trees and fields. They look so tiny from up here. Parachute on, helmet on, ripcord. I'm going skydiving. Are you going to come with me while I take the plunge? Woo! Pigeon. La 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 la. Powder. Woo! Huh? Hello? Chrissy? Yes, I can drop in for tea. Bob? What are you doing here? Oh, puppet. P for puppet. Oh, P is for pulling cord. Pull cord for parachute. Whoa! P is for panic. P is a problem. Whoa! Oh, please let me land on plump pillows. Phew! Lovely pile of pillows. Perfect. See you next time.